So this is what I, kind of wanted to do in this video. It's kind of something different that I usually don't do. I think that I want to show how much I appreciate my dad. And I'm going to do that right now.
I love him, spending time with him. I like watching football with him. Happy Father's Day, I love you.
Dad, thank you for being there for me. Dad, thank you for working so hard for me. Dad, I love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day.
The reason I love you, Dad, is because you love me. And you stayed there in the tough times and in the easy times. You gave me hugs when I needed them. And you also watched me play my game and cheered me on, even when I lost and when I won. Love you, Dad.
Thank you, Dad, for helping me through the hard times, and thank you, Dad, for helping me through the easy times. Thank you, Dad, for just being there for me, and I will always be there for you. Happy Father's Day. Love, Jada.
Hey babe, happy Father's Day. I just want to say thank you for everything you do, all the sacrifices you made, and how our family continues to grow. We just love you and thank you for everything. Happy Father's Day.
Man, I love you. You've been there when things got tough, and you never left. You showed me how to be a leader. You showed me how to try new things, always keep an open mind, and always been there at my games whenever I needed you, whenever I needed some feedback, when everybody else just said I had a good game. You always, try to take me to another level, and I always will appreciate that. And you also knew the balance of when to be my dad, coach, and sometimes even my friend when I needed you. So I thank you, and happy Father's Day. I love you.
And finally made me do just what my mama said. Later at night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone.
Alright, well, now that part of the video's over, now it's time for the vlog part. So let's get it.
Excuse me? What time is it?
Boom boom.
Is it time for lunch? What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
It's lunchtime.
Hey, what's for lunch?
Soldier. Soldier. My haters getting mad, bitch, they bout to get more mad. They see my chain and screaming the initials of World of Warcraft. My worst man, they kill your best man on his worst day. Kill him in the worst way and quench him if he thirsty. Chicago, that's my birthplace, but I'm ATL resident, and one day it's maybe possible I might be the president. They elect me out the game. It's SOD, I'm off the chain, just like a pit bull running on steroids in the middle of the motherfucking rain, man. Cause got this bang bang, orange diamonds on me looking like a orangutan. Soldier boy the flame, man. Hit him with the gang bang, 5 on me maintain. Nigga trying to maintain, hit it with the red thing. Red dots on me. Ooh, that food was fire though. I haven't either. I haven't had it since I was like 10 years old. But now we're about to go back to
his
that.
nose have him looking like Rudolph, fire with the roof off. Soldier boy tell him I'm the truth, dog. What the fuck y'all niggas wanna do, dog? Let's do it. Yeah, I get all up.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, babe.
Alright guys, I'm back. I know the lighting is terrible. It is night. And of course I don't have any lighting. That's something I need to work on getting. Father's Day is now over for us. Now we're getting ready to go to bed, things like that. I hope I made this interesting. I
I try to make it as interesting as possible with the little time that I had with my dad. It wasn't like Mother's Day when we spent the whole day, you know, because my dad still had to work. So it was a little tough to try to make this, but I still wanted to, you know, make my dad feel special, you know, as because I made the Mother's Day vlog, and I felt like, of course, I needed to make a Father's Day vlog. So I hope y'all liked the video. If you did like it, like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to, you know, we're trying to grow this channel up, and try to, you know, we're trying to hit, my goal now for this year is I want to hit 10K. I want to hit 10K before this year is over. It's a big goal, and I can only do it with the help of y'all. So end of 2018, we need to hit 10K. That's what I'm asking. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna continue to grow. Now there's only one more thing I need to say.
Mizzy Mari got beats.
It's 360 Woods.